Hey, it's Derek Bieri with Vice Grip Garage on YouTube and Roadworthy Rescues on Discovery Plus and Max. You know, a guy was looking for an automotive lift a couple of years ago with two main things in mind: safety and quality, and really, they go hand in arm, or fist, or whatever that saying is. Anyway, I researched every single lift on the market multiple times, from the cheapest to the most expensive, different designs, you name it, and I kept coming back to Wildfire Lifts, and I'm so glad I went with them. This bad boy right here is the XLT, and this is a 9,000 pound lift, and I've had every kind of vehicle on this thing all the way up to crew cab diesels, and I would argue that this exact lift has gone up and down more than any Wildfire lift on the planet. I use it 7 days a week, and I have literally had zero issues with this thing, other than my big old mitt jammed the power button through, and they just sent me another one. I've got a couple other ones too. Let's go check those out. Behind me here is the standard lift, still with a 9,000 pound lifting capacity, just a little bit smaller footprint, but as you can see, it has zero issues lifting a heavy 50s car up there, and I could tuck a Chevelle under it nice and easy. I've got one more right next to it. There is no better space saver than the double wide lift. Look at this thing. It has a 10,000 pound lifting capacity and saves so much room. And if you notice, I've got a full-size GMC crew cab on one side and a tiny little Model A on the other. And even being unbalanced, this thing has zero issues going up and down smoothly. And I can tuck, well, I've got 3 cars and engines and stuff down here, but you can configure this however a guy wants. Look, I'm not a salesman. I'm not on staff. I don't get commission. I'm not getting paid. I'm just telling you this because if you're in the market, please don't overlook Wildfire Lifts.